Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. After a long gap, I am posting this video. So in this video, I'm gonna solve the problem Sherlock and the valid string. Sherlock consider a string to be valid if all characters of the string appear the same number of times. It is also valid if we can remove just one character at one index in the string and the remaining string will occur the same number of times. Given a string yes, determine if it is valid. If so, return yes, otherwise return no. Okay, let's see an example. Here the string is ABC. It is a valid string because frequencies are 1 because all the characters occurred one time. And the second string is ABCC because we can remove one C and have one of each character in the remaining string. So it will be like ABC. And the third example is ABCCC. However, the string is not valid as we can only remove one occurrence of C. That would leave the character frequencies of A equals 1, B equals 1, and C equals 2. So it is not valid. Okay, let's see the constraints. Here the string length is 10 to the power of 5. So we can check all the strings manually. So we will obviously use some dictionary in order to store the frequencies of the characters. Now let's see some examples. Here the first example is A occurred 2 times, B occurred 2 times, C occurred once, and D occurred once. So if we can remove either one of those characters, still all the frequencies of the characters are not same. So we will return no. And another example is A occurred 2 times, B occurred 2 times, C, D, E, all of them are occurred 2 times, and the remaining 4 characters are occurred 1 time. So we can't have all the characters with the same frequency. We will return no. And here the last one, I think here all the characters are occurred 2 times only. So we will return yes. So in this problem, we have 3 cases. First case is all the characters have same frequency. So if they have same frequency, we will return yes. And the second one is if we have more than 2 unique frequencies. If we have more than 2 unique frequencies means obviously even if we delete one character, we can have same frequencies for all the characters. So that is the second one. And the third one is we have only 2 unique frequencies. So we have to check for some conditions. If the specific condition satisfies, we will return yes, or else we will return no. Okay, let's solve the problem. First, we need to import a module from collections, import counter. Counter module will return the frequency of characters in a dictionary. So the first step is get frequencies. So CNT equals counter of yes. So this will return a dictionary with the character as a key and the number of frequencies as a value. Now we have to check for each case. First is case 1, that is same frequency. Now if length of set of CNT dot values. So CNT dot values will just get the frequency values and we are going to do the set operation. If the length of the set is equals 1, that means all the characters have the same frequency. We will return yes. Now for the second case, case 2, more than 2 unique frequencies. So elif len of set of CNT dot values that is greater than 2, we will return no. So this is the second case. Now for case 3, 2 unique frequencies. Else, now in case 3, we are going to decrement one element from the dictionary and check all the characters have same frequency, similar to the first case. So let's do that. For key in CNT, it will get the key from the dictionary. Initially, we are going to decrement that particular key by 1. Count of key minus equals 1. Now we will create a temporary variable to have a list of values. List of count dot values. It will get the frequency. If we have zeros in the list, we need to remove that. So remove zeros. So try temp dot remove 0. I'm using a try block because if we try to remove 0 that is not in the list means it will throw an error. That's why I'm using a try block. If 0 is present in the list, it will remove the 0, or else it will just move to the next step. So that is the try part, except pass. So it will do nothing in the exceptions. Now we have to check for the condition similar to case 1. That is, if length of set of temp equals 1, return yes. Else, in the else part, we need to increment the key by 1 for the next iteration. So that will be count of key plus equals 1. So if the condition satisfies in any iteration, it will return yes, or else we need to return no. That means we can change all the characters to the same frequencies. So this is the whole logic of the program. We solved it in big O of n. So let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it, guys. We solved the problem. I have a quick update for you. We have reached more than 500 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Your support and feedback are very much helpful to me. I try to solve all the problems in the HackerRank and post as many videos as possible. And all the best to you guys because everyone is preparing for placements and job interviews. If the videos are very much helpful means please share it to your friends, college groups. It will be very useful for me. It will improve the growth of the channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.